In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a README file for GitHub. The README file is one of the most important parts of any GitHub repository because it not only introduces your project, but also helps others understand what it does, how to use it, and how they can get involved. Whether you're just starting out or simply want to make your repository more inviting and easier to navigate, this guide is for you. Let's start by talking about what a README file actually is. When you visit any project on GitHub, the README is usually the first thing you see. It's a markdown file, generally named readme.md, that provides a detailed overview of your project. This is where you can describe what the project is about, how to install and use it, and provide any additional documentation that you feel might help other users or contributors. To create a README file, you have a couple of options. If you already have a local project directory on your computer, open your preferred text editor or integrated development environment, also known as an IDE. Now, create a new file in the root of your project and name it readme.md. The .md extension stands for Markdown, which is a lightweight markup language that lets you format text, add links, images, and more, making your README both attractive and functional. If you're working directly on GitHub, you can also create a README file right from your repository. Simply open your repository page, click on the Add File button, and select Create New File. Then type readme.md as the file name. From here, you can begin writing your content using Markdown. Remember, even simple formatting, like headings, bullet points, and code blocks, goes a long way in making your documentation easy to understand. Now, let's talk about what you should include in your README. While there are no strict rules, it's a good idea to provide a clear title, a short description of your project, instructions on how to install and use the software, and if applicable, guidelines for contributing. Don't forget to add any relevant links to documentation or licensing information. Try to think about the journey of someone new stumbling upon your project. What would they need to know first? Once you're happy with your README content, it's important to commit your changes. On GitHub, scroll down and you'll see a commit section where you can enter a message describing your changes. Something like, Add Initial README. Click Commit New File, and your README will be added to your repository. If you're working locally, just save the readme.md file. Then use Git to add, commit, and push the file to your remote repository. And that's it. You've just created a README file for your GitHub project. Remember, a well-written README can make your project more accessible and welcoming to both users and collaborators. Don't be afraid to update it regularly as your project evolves. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!